we will look at the terminology used in the quick primer. So all the bodies are indicated by single capitalized letters A, B, C, and so on. For example, you can see in the figure here, you have body A, which is the link A, and fixed body N. Another example, double pendulum problem, you have N, A, and B, right? Okay, so again, four bar mechanism, you have again N, A, B, and C. So all the bodies are indicated by single capitalized letters. The terminology used in this work is mostly similar to the one used by Dr. Kane. Okay. Ground is always N, body N. Okay. The names of all points are indicated by capital letters, two capitalized letters. So in the figure, you can see there are 2 points, NO and NA, both of them are coincident. First letter indicates the body, the point is N. So all the points in body A will have 2 letters, like AN, AO, AB, and first letter will indicate the body in which the point is. One more example to make it clear. And NO, AN, AO, BO, CO, so on are all the centers of masses of the corresponding bodies and also the origin of body fixed reference frame. Okay. Okay, again, this is different. All local position vectors which are the position vectors expressed in body fixed reference frame are indicated by lowercase r. So if you say RAB, for example, is a vector from AO to AB. So AO need not be given because all local vectors are starting from the corresponding body's center of mass, always. And for example, if you see here, vector RB will be vector from BO to BC. Sorry, RBC, vector RBC will be vector from BO to BC, and vector RCB will be local position vector in body C that you can see here, and it is going from, since it is vector RCB, it is from CO to CB. So okay. Position vectors are expressed in ground fixed coordinate system are written as PAB. For example, when there is a point AB in body A, PAB indicates the vector from NO, the origin of the ground fixed coordinate system, to point AB. Okay. Okay, this figure should explain everything clearly. So the vector RAB, capital RAB, is used to indicate vector expressed in ground fixed coordinate system with origin at AO and endpoint at AB. So small RAB is the vector from AO to AB expressed in A1, A2, A3. Capital RAB is the same vector expressed in N1 into N3. So this relation should clarify everything. The equation that is shown here should clarify everything. N underscore A will be the transformation matrix between body A and ground A. Okay. Vector dot product, the transpose is removed. It's just shown as A dot B. Okay. Force vectors whose directions, this is in figures. So if you see figure here, F, the gravity force is always vertically downwards, so the direction is known, so it is given in this way. But if you look at the IF, which is the inertia force, and FAN, which is the reaction force, which is not known and which is also a variable, so in the figures it is shown by a line crossing the vector. Okay. Action reaction pairs acting at, let's say, if you see two bodies here, N and A, so at the joint between A and N, you have 2 points, NA in body N and AN in body A. So you have a action reaction force FAN acting at point AN and FNA acting at point NA. So this is action reaction pair. So FAB is not the same as FBA. It's same in equal in magnitude but opposite in